heading to Navarre Beach right now. The wind is crazy. I can barely keep the bike in a straight line. Right now it's hitting me as a crosswind coming across the water. Holy crap, it's strong. Whew. But Navarre Beach is a special place for me, for my family. It's the place where my daughter and I like to come on vacation. We were just here in January to celebrate her birthday. This sidewalk's too narrow for me. Okay, this is gonna be tight. Holy crap. Ooh, that wind is howling. This is tough. Tight little sidewalk. There's no shoulder on the bridge, and I've already irritated enough cars just crossing the bridge so far. Now, because my daughter and I and my sisters were just here on vacation, I know there's a bike path up here that follows the beach, so that's where I'm headed. That bike path will take me over towards Pensacola Beach. And oh my god, the wind has turned my camera sideways. That's crazy. All right, here we go. Ooh. Man, when I turn up here at the traffic light, that wind's gonna be right in my face. Oh well. Holy crap, I can't keep the camera straight. Oh, it's loose. That's a problem. Bike parked on the bike path. Nice. Nice, nice. Last time I was on this bike path was January. We were here for my daughter's birthday. The hotel we stayed at had some rental beach cruisers we rode this with. We only rode it for like an hour, but at least I knew it was here, so I was close enough to jump down to the beach. And I know this is going to be a beautiful scenic ride through here. Maybe not this section right where all the motels are, but it turns into just like sand dunes on both sides. It's nice. the hotel we stayed at for my kid's birthday. Spring Hill Suites, right on the beach. I don't know if you can even hear me with all the wind blowing across my microphone. Oh, the headwind is brutal. But yeah, that's where we stayed at. Hopefully we stay there again next January for her birthday. It's like a good halfway point between my daughter's house and where I live. So we came here twice last year. Once just me and her, and then in January this year. It's just really pretty here. I don't know how far I'm gonna make it today with this wind. It's crazy. It's a beautiful day. It's just fucking 30-mile-an-hour wind in my face.